Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips vegetable peeler. This peeler is well made, it's pretty strong and fits well in your hand, and it's pretty sharp. Matter of fact, I'll show you. I actually cut my finger a little bit because when I was taking out the box, I put my finger on the cutting part and I pressed too hard and it cut my finger a little bit. So just be careful not to touch that area when you're peeling, that it can cut you. If you can see it there on my thumb, cut a little bit. It didn't cut deep, but it was just it's sharp, and it slices really well. And I'm going to show you that now as I peel this potato. You see it cuts pretty smoothly and evenly. So it works well, and you'll like using this. And I hope that this review helps. See you later.